My name is Osana Nim Anong.
My name is Nisala Modi.
My name is Suthika Sarakot.
My name is Orasa Apornchod.
Eco myths explain facts vs fiction. Hey guy, have you ever heard some weird eco fact that sound true but might not actually be? Like sometimes we just believe something because we see it on social media or hear it from a friends. But not everything we hear about the environment is 100% true. I was reading an article last week called Economists Explain Fact via Fiction. It said that a lot of popular ideas about being eco-friendly are more complicated than they sound. So today I thought we could talk about a few of those myths and what really true behind them. Let's start with an easy one.
Okay, I will go first. So paper away, say then paper bag are better than plastic bag. That sounds logical, right? Paper come from tree. It's natural. It's decomposed, so it must be better. But actually, not away. Making paper bag take a lot of water and energy, more than making plastic one. And paper bag are heavier, which means transporting them you them use more fuel or and release more carbon dioxide. Plus, if you use paper bag just one and throw it away, that's not eco-friendly at all. The truth is the best bag is the one you reuse, whether it's paper, plastic, or clear. Just use it as many times as you can.
Yeah, that's such a good point. I think more people don't realize how much energy gone into making something that seems green. Sometimes it's not about what we use, but how we use it.
Exactly, and that brings me to another myth that electric cars are 100% clean. A lot of people believe that because electric cars don't produce exhaust fume, they must be totally green. Well, they are definitely better than gasoline cars, but not completely clean. The electricity used to charge them often come from power plants that burn coal or natural gas, so indirectly they can still cause pollution. Also, producing batteries for electric cars takes rare metals like lithium and cobalt, which come from mining that can harm the environment and local communities. Don't get me wrong, electric cars are still a big improvement, but we also need to make sure the energy we use to power them comes from clean sources like wind or solar. Otherwise, it's like fixing one problem but creating another.
Yeah, I totally agree. It's kind of the same with recycling too. One thing recycling alone will solve everything, but if we keep buying new things all the time, recycling won't be enough. Reducing and reusing are just as important as recycling. For example, using a reusable bottle instead of buying plastic bottle every day. That's a small change, but it really helps. It saves energy, reducing waste, and also save money in the long run.
I used to buy a new plastic bottle almost every day, but after learning more about how much plastic waste ends up in the ocean, I stopped. Now I always carry my own bottle. It's just a simple habit, and it actually feels good.
Yeah, little habits like that really matter. Some people say, I'm just one person. What difference can I make? But imagine if millions of people thought that way. Nothing would ever change. Every small action counts. Turning use, using less water, buying less fast fashion, All those things add up.
I love that. I think the biggest myth of all is that one person can make a difference. It's totally wrong. Change doesn't start big, it starts small from daily habits. And when more and more people do it, that small action becomes a global impact. Like the No Plastic Store movement, it starts small, but now many cafes and restaurants have switched to paper or bamboo straws. That, that's the power of small action.
Yeah, that's such a good example. So I get what we can learn from all this is. Don't believe anything you hear. Check the facts first, and don't think that being eco-friendly had to be perfect or complicated. It's more about being aware, making small changes, and doing what we can every day. Even little steps can make a big difference if everyone take them together. So let's keep learning, keep caring, and do our best for the planet we all share.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you.